All right, this is one more motion-related problem with a d equals rt. Um, David's boat travels 15 kilometers per hour in still water. He motors 140 kilometers downstream in the same time it takes to travel 35 kilometers upstream. What's the speed of the river? Okay, okay. So right off the bat, declare the variable. We want to know the speed of the river, right? So we're going to let x be the speed of the river. Um, Again, we've got this upstream downstream case. So I'm going to build a little table. And we have some information about distance, rate, and time for both the up and downstream cases, right? So upstream, how far does he travel? 35 kilometers and 140 downstream, right? And then the rate, okay, so if the boat travels 15 kilometers in still water, upstream, we're going to take that 15 and subtract the speed of the river, right? Make sure that you do it in that order, right? Because the speed of the river is going to be less than the speed of the boat, right? Otherwise, the boat would be going backwards, right? So make sure we have 15 minus x versus x minus 15. It makes a difference. And then downstream, we're going to add to the 15 kilometers per hour. So we have a 15 plus x. And then the time, of course, is 35 divided by 15 minus x, right? So distance divided by rate. And for the downstream case, 140 divided by 15 plus x. Okay, now key words. He motors 140 kilometers downstream in the same time it takes to travel 35 kilometers upstream. Okay, so that means that the upstream time and the downstream time are equal, right? So I'm going to have 35 over 15 minus x equal to 140 over 15 plus x. All right, so this is a good candidate for cross multiplication. Like I said, I like to keep to multiplying each side by the LCD, which in this case is 15 minus x times 15 plus x. Okay. 15 minus x times 15 plus x. All right, so on the left-hand side, 15 minus x goes away. I have 35 times 15 plus x. And then on the right-hand side, 15 plus x goes away. I have 140 times 15 minus x, right? Okay, so now we're going to distribute here. 35 times 15 is 525. Don't be afraid to take a calculator to that. I just did. So we have 525 plus 35x equal to 140 times 15, which is 2100, minus 140x. 525 plus 35x plus 140x, right? I'm going to add 140x to both sides. 35x and 140x is 175x. And now I want to subtract 525 from both sides. All right, so 175x is equal to, all right, so 2100 minus 525 is 1575. And I want to divide both sides by 175 now to get x by itself, which is 9. The speed of the river is 9 kilometers per hour, right? Okay, so hopefully this helps you. And again, this table that I started with the distance, rate, and time columns, it's not necessary, but I think it does a lot to organize the information.